For the occasions where you're expecting a visitor, you can book a visit in advance. This makes the sign-in experience even quicker on the day and adds an expected visitor to your dashboard. Admin users of VisiPoint can do this from the dashboard, or staff users can add their own visits from their restricted dashboard view. There are two easy ways to book visits, depending on whether you have the full details or want the visitors to fill in their own. If you have all of the visitors' details, you can follow these steps. First, click Add Visits from the top menu bar. Then select the expected date and time of the visit. Next, select the host name from your list of staff. Then select the user's name. If they've been to the site before, their details will appear, so select as necessary. If the system doesn't recognize their name, additional fields will appear. Firstly, pick if they're a visitor or a contractor, then add your new visitor's details. The system will remember them for the next time. Finally, hit Submit. The visitor will automatically receive an email from VisiPoint, branded with your company's logo, confirming the time of their appointment, their host, and their Express Pass QR code. This code can be swiped under the barcode reader when the visitor arrives and allows them to skip past the initial sign-in stages, such as entering their name and email address. You'll then be taken back to the daily logbook, which acts as your calendar of visits. If you change the date in the bar under daily logbooks, you'll see that the visit you've just added is expected on the date that you've added the visit for. If you prefer to give the visitor the option to register their own details, you can use the pre-registration function. This is especially useful if there are a number of different people that will be joining the meeting, which you may not have all the details for. This feature creates a unique URL based on the time and date of the visit which you will enter. You can then copy this link and send it by email to as many people as you want. When users click on this URL, they will be directed to VisiPoint, where they can register their personal details before the visit. To do this, click Pre-Registered Visits URL from the left navigation. Hit the Add New Pre-Registered URL button, set the visit date and time of your visitor's appointment. Next, select the time where the link will expire, and then you'll see the link you've created. You can copy this link and send it to whomever you choose. If there are multiple people attending the visit, they can all use this URL to add their details. Upon filling out their details, the visitor will automatically receive an email from VisiPoint branded with your company's logo, confirming the time of their appointment, their host, and their Express Pass QR code. Again, this code can be swiped under the barcode reader when the visitor arrives for Express Sign-In, which skips past the few stages of entering their information. Once your visitor has filled out their details, you'll be able to see the visit as expected in your daily logbook. If a staff member has all the visitor's details, they can follow these points. Click Add Expected Visit from the left-hand navigation. Then set the visit date and time of their visitor's appointment. Then type the visitor's name. Again, if they've been to site before, their details will appear, so select as necessary. If the system doesn't recognize the name, additional fields will appear. Then hit Create Visit. Once you've clicked this button, you'll see a message saying that your visit has been added successfully, displayed in green font. Again, you'll be able to see this visit as expected from within the daily logbook. Finally, if a member of staff would like to give the visitor the option to add their own details, they can again use the pre-registration URL feature. To do this, click Pre-Registered Visits URL from the left navigation. Hit the Add New Pre-Registered URL button, select the visit date and expiry date. You'll then see the link you've created. You can copy this link and send it to your visitors by email, requesting that they follow the link to add their details to save time when they arrive on the day of their visit. Once the visitors follow the link, they will enter their email address in the search field. If they haven't visited the premises before, a set of fields will appear asking them to enter their details. If they have been to visit it before, they'll be able to select their profile. Upon saving their details, the visitor will receive an email containing the details of their visit as well as the QuickPass QR code. Once the visitor has filled out their details, you'll again see their visit as expected within the daily logbook.